Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix your device isn't part of the Netflix account household. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. All you have to do is simply from here, you're going to go to Netflix, and then from here you're going to go to search for settings. Once you go to your settings, you're going to search for the Netflix application. Once you search for Netflix application, you're going to make sure to click on the force stop button once you find it. So make sure to click on force stop, and this will permanently stop the application until you turn it on. Now you're going to scroll down and you're going to make sure to turn off your Wi-Fi. So make sure you turn off your Wi-Fi or any internet connection that you have, and then you're going to turn on your airplane mode. Once you turn on your airplane mode and disconnect your Wi-Fi and you make sure that you have force stopped the application, simply go back and then open the application. Once you open it, once you're on it, scroll down and then turn on your Wi-Fi and turn off your airplane mode again. Once you connect back to the internet, this should help you solve the problem and you will be able to sign in easily very much. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.